Hello guys, this is Manikanda sir from Pragada Academy. So today I would like to explain about physics vectors concept. So previously I explained dot product or scalar product. So now I am explaining about unity vector concept and also resolution of a vector in rectangular components. See, basically the vector is nothing but having the magnitude and direction and also obeys laws of vector addition. Then the type of physical quantity we can call as a vector. So here we have different types of vectors: unit vectors, null vectors, zero vectors, like vectors, unlike vectors, equal vectors, unequal vectors. These are all of the types of the vectors. In the types of vectors I am taking the vector of unit vector. So unit vector represented as a cap. Unit vector formula a cap equal to a bar by mod a bar. Mainly you need to remember for the unit vector magnitude of a bar equal to 1. Nothing but we can represent mod a equal to 1. And unit vector formula will be a cap equal to a bar by mod a bar. And what is magnitude? Suppose 2 kg of sugar is there. 2 represents magnitude, kg represents units. So basically physical quantity is nothing but the product of unit and magnitude. Sorry, the product of magnitude and unity. Unit is called physical quantity. Nothing but we have mass of 2 kg. Mass is the physical quantity. We can represent the mass as 2 into kg. Here 2 represents magnitude, kg represents units. So mass is the physical quantity. Physical quantity is nothing but product of magnitude and unit. Yeah. See, for the unit vector, magnitude of a bar will be 1. Mod a equal to 1. Unit vector formula a cap equal to a bar by mod a bar. Suppose we have the vector a bar equal to 3 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. For this we need to find the unit vector. To find the unit vector a cap, the formula will be a bar by mod a bar. A cap equal to a bar by mod a bar. What is mod a bar here? Root of 3 square plus minus 2 whole square plus 3 square. Nothing but you need to compare this vector with xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. How to find the magnitude of that vector? Square root of x square plus y square plus z square. So you will get 9 plus 4 plus 9. You get 9 plus 9, 18 plus 4, 22. Root 22 will be the magnitude. So to find the unit vector a cap equal to a bar. What will be the a bar? 3 I bar minus 2 j bar plus 3 k bar by mod a bar. Mod a bar is nothing but root 22. I told you now for the unit vector magnitude 1 means. How to find magnitude of how to prove it is 1? If you apply the magnitude of this vector, you get root 22. Root 22 by root 22, 1. So this is the unit vector having the magnitude 1. So unit vector is nothing but magnitude 1. The formula will be a cap equal to a bar by mod a bar. Now I will explain resolution of a vector in rectangular components. Suppose we have one vector which is moving with certain angle theta, which is the horizontal axis. Basically we have the two axes, x axis and y axis, that is 2 dimension. 3 dimension means x axis, y axis and z axis. Suppose I will consider the 2 dimension axis. One is x axis, other one is y axis. This will be the origin. So suppose one vector I will consider, that is nothing but OP bar. OP bar is nothing but A bar I will take. This magnitude I will represent, this length OP length will be, mod OP will be the A I will take. Okay now, which is making an angle theta with the horizontal axis. To find the horizontal component OX and to find the vertical component OY, we need to draw one parallel line here. Here I will take the horizontal component as AX, this length will be AX, OA dash or OB we take, and OC length will be, I took as AY, why? Because vertical component, AY is the vertical component of a vector and AX is the horizontal component of a given vector. Why? Because I took A, magnitude will be A, mod OP is equal to A. So to represent the magnitude of the vector, we need to take the triangle POB. Cos theta is nothing but what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. From this horizontal component, what is the formula? AX equal to A cos theta. Ax is the horizontal component of a vector. Suppose if they give in terms of force, for the force Fx equal to F cos theta is the horizontal component, Fy is the vertical component of force. If they give velocity, vertical component will be Vy, horizontal component will be Vx, and the vector will be the V. For that horizontal component formula, Vx equal to V cos theta, Vy equal to V sin theta. See, if this length is Ay, this length also Ay. Apply the sin theta. Sin theta means opposite side. PB by adjacent side OB, sorry, hypotenuse OP, nothing but AY by A. From this AY equal to A sin theta. Why? Because I took the vector is A here, A bar, that's why I got the horizontal component, vertical component in terms of A. Suppose I took the force is a vector, you can write Fy equal to F sin theta, Fx equal to F cos theta. If I took the velocity vector, then you can write Vy equal to V sin theta, Vx equal to V cos theta. So by using rectangular resolution of vector is nothing but we can split the vector into two parts. One is vertical component, other one is horizontal component. Resolution is nothing but splitting of vector into two components. Suppose here I took the one is the vector, this is the horizontal axis, this is the vertical axis. Okay. So this is the horizontal axis, this is the vertical axis. Between two vectors we have the other vector which is making an angle theta with the horizontal axis. To find the horizontal component, to find the vertical component, we need to apply the formula Ax equal to A cos theta, Ay equal to A sin theta. This is the formula. See, basic representation of the vector in terms of Ax and Ay is nothing but A equal to Ax I bar. Why? Because Ay equal to J bar, Ay into J bar. I bar is the unit vector along x axis. I bar is the unit vector along x axis. J bar is the vector along y axis. So Ax I bar plus Ay J bar. To find the magnitude of A, you will apply the formula square root of Ax square plus Ay square. Nothing but Ax is nothing but what? A cos theta whole square plus A sin theta whole square. So if you take the A square common, you get outside root, for the root outside you get A cos square theta plus sin square theta. According to trigonometry, cos square theta plus sin square theta 1, so you get mod A equal to A. That's why you can write in the place of Ax A cos theta, in the place of A by A sin theta. So this is the concept of resolution of vectors. You will get the problems. And next one. Suppose if you have the two vectors OA equal to P, OB equal to Q, making an angle theta. Both the vectors are making an angle theta. To find the resultant of two vectors R. So to find the magnitude of R, the formula will be square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. They will give the two vectors and they will give the angle. To find the magnitude of vector, we need to apply P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Parallelogram law of vectors, we have the proof for this. According to parallelogram law of vectors, we have direction formulas. Theta equal to tan inverse Q sin theta by P plus Q cos theta. To solve the Fibonacci worksheet, we need to know the magnitude formula. That's it. Enough. Next class, I will explain derivations. We need to remember the formulas. So mod R equal to, if they give two vectors and angle, You will apply square root of p square plus q square plus 2p cube cos theta. What is the representation of vector in 3 dimension? 3 dimension vector means we have x axis, y axis and z axis. What is 2 dimension? 2 dimension means only we have x axis and y axis, like rectangles, squares, all these are what we can call rectangular squares of the 2 dimensional form. Why? Because we have length and breadth for that. If you have cube, cuboid, sphere, hemisphere, cylinder, all these are 3 dimension. Why? Because we have length, breadth and height. So we have 3 dimension for that. So 3 dimension means we can represent the vector as a bar equal to ax I bar plus ay j bar plus az k bar. To find the magnitude, mod a equal to square root of this is k bar is the unit vector along z axis. Ax square plus ay square plus az square. This is the magnitude formula in 3 dimension. Yeah. Now from the Fiji worksheet I will explain few problems. Wait a second. Yeah. From the Fiji worksheet I am explaining the problems, few problems from the vector chapter, physics material. So first one, single answer type questions. They ask to find magnitude of a vector. Let a bar equal to, they given 3I bar minus 12j bar minus 4k bar. They are asked to find magnitude. Magnitude is nothing but mod A. If you compare this vector with xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, what is the magnitude from the mod A equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square, or ax square plus ay square plus az square, both are same. And x value will be, what is the I cap proportion? 3 square plus y means minus 12 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. So 3 square 9 plus 144 plus 16. You will get 25 plus 144, nothing but root 169, nothing but you will get 13 units. The magnitude, option D is correct. Second problem from the vector worksheet. See, this is very important. They given mod 3I bar plus 2j bar plus ak bar equal to 5. They asked to find a value. To find the a value, they given magnitude. The mod is nothing but magnitude. What is the magnitude formula? Square root of x square plus y square plus z square equal to, they given 5. Apply squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides you will apply. So square root of, then square and root will be cancelled. 9 plus 4 plus a square equal to 5 square, 25. From this 13 plus a square equal to 25. A square equal to 25 minus 13. Nothing but a square equal to 12. From this you will get a value root 12. Root 12 means root 4 into 3. Root 4 means 2 root 3 units will be the answer. Option yeah, root 12 is there. Option A is correct. Okay, next, third one. Yeah, obtain the magnitude of 2a bar minus 3b bar. They asked to find. Okay, they given a bar vector. A bar they given I bar plus j bar minus 2k bar. B bar vector 2I bar minus j bar plus k bar. First we need to find 2a bar minus 3b bar value. Nothing but first vector multiply with 2. You will get 2I bar plus 2j bar minus 2 into 2 minus 4k bar. Minus 3b bar multiply with 3, second vector. 6I bar minus 3j bar plus 3k bar. So we will get the 2a bar minus 3b bar vector as 2I minus 6I, nothing but minus 4I bar. 2j minus 2 minus plus, so 2 plus 3, 5j bar. Minus 4, minus into plus minus, minus 4k minus 3k, minus 7k bar. So to find the magnitude we need to apply the formula root x square minus 4 square plus 5 square plus minus 7 whole square. Okay, nothing but root